So first of all, we measure the carbon footprint of an organisation, or we do a life cycle assessment of a product. Once we have that measurement and we know how many emissions are related to it, we then are able to advise on how to reduce those emissions and then to ultimately offset. So when a company makes a commitment make an ongoing commitment to offset their emissions by purchasing carbon offsets, then we will certify them as being carbon neutral and we'll give them access to the logos. We'll re-audit them on an annual basis so that we can do year-on-year comparisons about their emissions, and away they go to communicate and label their products and services. Absolutely, it's a highly topical thing now, that particularly as it's being legislated. So there's various thresholds. Companies need to learn whether or not they're actually reaching those thresholds from a government reporting perspective, and then in terms of being able to understand the emissions intensity of your business, and very often, in nearly all cases, saving emissions will actually reduce costs. So as the carbon tax filters through and prices of electricity and some of our goods and services increase, the businesses that stay ahead by reducing their emissions and minimising them are the ones that are going to have the competitive advantage over their competitors. Everyone's in the same boat with these kind of legislative changes, and so the ones that are actually efficient are going to be the ones that stay with the competitive advantage and the better margins in their business. So emissions reporting, now that it's having a monetary value applied to it, it's very important to measure that and then be able to respond accordingly.